Incorporated employees. My name is Jahan Vijay, and I'll be conducting this training video on Microsoft Word. There are many features to this application by Microsoft, but today I'm only going to go over 5 of them. And the first one is Spellcheck. And then we're going to go to headers and footers, then inserting pictures, then changing the layout and columns, and then footnotes. So as for the first one, the Spellcheck, as you can see, I typed out circumstance and intentionally spelled it wrong. So what we can do, go up here to the main tabs and click review, and then all we have to do is click on this ABC spelling and grammar check. Also F7, but my keyboard does not have any F buttons, so we'll just click on this. And I'll automatically open this tab, showing some options. So we can have circumstances plural, circumstance. In this case, we just want circumstance. We'll highlight that and then we'll click change. And then it will change that to the right way to spell it. The second topic I want to talk about today are headers and footers. So as you can see that this Mariotronic Incorporated right here is kind of faded. That's because it is a header. And what you do, you just click anywhere on the top of the page twice, and then boom. You can edit a header, you can change the format, make it that to the right or center or to the left. Now for the footer, you just go all the way to the bottom. Here I have a 1, so you just double click the bottom 2 and then you can edit that. And it's pretty simple. And once you click the bottom or the top for a footer or a header, they will stay on the future pages that you will type out. So this 1 will change to a 2 on the next page, and this Mariotronic will stay the same. You can also click the design button up here. You can edit your footers and headers. Right here you can put page number, date and time, and a lot of miscellaneous things you can do with the design button when you're doing your footers and headers. The next feature I'm going to go over is to insert a picture. So we're going to go up here, we're going to click insert, and then we're going to click right here pictures, or we can do an online picture too, but right now we'll do pictures. Just click, I'll go to pictures of your computer. So let's go to my pictures. Let's upload. Let's see what I got on my camera roll. Ooh, pictures of Tahoe. Perfect. So let's do this one. I just click insert, and then I'll insert it. You can change, the size, the length, the width. You can also rotate it with this. And then that's pretty much it. Alright, the next feature I'm going to talk about is the layout, and specifically the layout in columns. So we're going to click this button up here, layout, and then it has a button with columns. You can do 1, 2, which is what we're on right now, 2, 3, left or right, and there's an option for more. Let's do 2 columns. So we'll type, keep going, and it'll arrange it in the column. And then once you're done with this all the way to the end of the page, then it'll start going on the other side. And that's pretty much it for columns. Or you can, let's see, actually let's do a 3rd column. Right, and these columns are going to be a bit smaller, but there's 3. So once you've run out of space on this column, then you can go to the middle. And let's check this out real quick, because I'm curious to see this. Comes to the top, and once this one goes, then it'll go to the 3rd column. So that's how you add columns to your document. Alright, the last thing I want to talk about are footnotes. So if you want to do a footnote, which is basically a reference to something, you just click on the references tab, and this will pop up, and then you'll see insert footnote. So you click on that, and then the footnote will come over here, and you'll type your explanation, whatever. Jane went to the store yesterday. Just an example. If something is said that wasn't really specified or implied, then you can further explain down here. Or if you say some information and you don't want to spend your time doing a whole bibliography page, and you can just put your sources at the footnotes on the bottom. And then you can go back to the references tab, insert another one, and then I'll go to number 2. Then you just keep going and going and going. You can have as many as you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So those are the 5 features about Microsoft Word that I want to discuss with you. Hope you learned something, and catch you next time. Alright, Jahan VJ signing off.